Ilutun asongnya sakotum akehai iaru among gam pensiadasi lupa je kampung.
Itom ACC canship and ACC misi leadership and si laso bangki ang turun Singapore so mengenam PPT dalam longhang honorable CM ay dalam Thomas Council ang kaji kanong kono jadi nato subalik apali pusin ini dito so puri de tachok puri de chodi labang puri memorandum submitted to the Dr. William Mohang, Honorable Chief Executive Member, Kapado Thomas Council by Dr. State Demand Committee ACC, Food Assistant Revenue Officer, Dongka Revenue Circle, Dongka West Kapado. Subject demanding immediate withdrawal of new land policy 2023, dated 29 November 2023. Respected sir, we understand on behalf of Dr. State Demand Committee ACC would like to draw your kind attention to the following issues of Kapado district relating to the new land policy 2023 regarding unexpected increasing rate of land settlement premium and land revenue on different categories of land in Kapado district and West Kapado district. Notification issued by the authority of Kapado Council on 25th June 2023. That's sir. The subject of land settlement and land revenue department is the inherent subject of the Kapado Council under the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution since the year 1952. But regrettably to mention that no radical reform policy on the land settlement premium and rate of land revenue have not been framed the successive government of Kapado Council properly. Privatization of land is the central rule of land alienation. The Kapado Council gov has only individual based land laws, which encourage for registration of private lands. For instance, the Kapado Land Revenue Act 1950 recognized only individually owned registered land. Most tribal lands, for that matter, being community owned and not be registered. Those few who own individual land were illiterate and did not register it. Only small tribal elite and outsiders got it benefit and the rest lost out. And the major legislation of Land Reform Act 1977 were brought again to free indebtedness. So all from bypass, bondhok, I-bondhok, etc. by the authority of the Kapado Council in the year 1977, but completely failed to significantly reduce the number of major land disputes in the district of Kapado. Rather, illegal trade on land system were encouraged to non-ST community. Another issue in the district is due to wrong land settlement policy that majority of the rural people of Karbianglong district became illiterate and hindrance to their development. The problems of education, health, and nutrition are very common among the hill people due to the lack of proper medical and sanitary facilities and poverty. Indebtedness due to lack of adequate source of income, and many more problems are faced by the common people in the district. If that happens, one day our district will turn into a capital of labor market. So scientific approach is required to bring positive change for the upliftment of the society, not by the imposing such unwanted land policy to common people without proper research or background check. The present new land policy 2023 has been made more complicated by the fact that the rural economy in the district is totally devastated due to wrong economic and land policies taken from the Karbianglong Autonomous Council. So instead of imposing the new land policy 2023, development infrastructure should be provided to the common people of Karbianglong, the need of the hour. Karbianglong is the need of the hour. Further, in this new land policy 2023 is going to be implemented, then poor will become poorer and the rich will become the richer. By increasing of land revenue and premium of land settlement in both rural and urban areas will be affected the backward tribal people for their land settlement, and will encourage the rich people and other private companies, that is corporate bodies, for acquiring the land possession in the 6th scheduled autonomous district. Transfer of land to outsider, non-tribal, and encouragement of immigrants will be more increased in near future in the district of Karbianglong, because high percentage of backward hill people are poverty and still not obtain land quota. Hence, from the above mentioned circumstances, the Autonomous State Demand Committee, Asdc, vehemently opposed the new land policy 2023 of Karbianglong Autonomous Council till the radical change of land policy is framed. The following demands are placed before you for amicable solution. A. Withdraw the interim notification of new land policy 2023 of the Karbianglong Autonomous Council. B. Stop increasing of land settlement premium and rate of land revenue. C. Stop implementation of Mission Bosundhara 2.0 scheme in the 6th schedule autonomous district area of Assam. D. Stop issuing of land pata to outsider non-tribal communities. Sincerely yours. Takin itu mah amen sidigle ya. Sondokan Kotera, Tom ini mata di Tongnun, Sondokan Koterang, Presiden Asdc Autonomous State Demand Committee, Tona Singtera, Vice President, Wuling Secretary, West Karbianglong District, Asdc, Pengeram Singh Longhang, Secretary, Central Committee in charge, West Karbianglong District, Sarsing England, oleh the President, dan Assistant General Secretary Asdc, Jackson Bay, PM, alang General Secretary lo Asdc, Harsing Teron, Member Central Committee. Masih lah sumput haki hitung satu langsung binpura lo, pajil pon lo, sini nanti pandami cuning lo, alang prabit nali dahin pendak, terap jinpen, Karbianglong Autonomous Council, Authority, CM of Halong, ada long papale fan beri lo, langsung immediate langsung putak, review dari fan. since the less policy ke non the prem prelamati Karbiang Autonomous Council pen so prem pre job interim la so issue bangkel ke not authorized and la so claim ke daji issue ta not reasonable la so na ka increase bangkel la so
dak mahapuan
nali kita
dak
orang takalang lo nali kita nali kita yarun tadi atas itu itu bukan sih dia lebih kado we problem kana to si face bomb no sini bomb no pra pe si compare down the non kan increase ba in proportionate to si kujo pura korma reasonable kali la kai increase ki baji ko tami sia portion isia percentage ba ba chana pe asola me sin to tami jina quality to tami kaso ki sungale irrespective of party ko kado we affiliation of party ko kado we ara thank you tapulo pipulam to tapulo oh okay